Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm getting a facial done. As you can see, I just want my face to just become really bright and just really cleanse it and give it that deep cleanse. As you can see, obviously I have no makeup right now and I just want to focus on just removing all these just acne marks that I had when I was much younger. So I'm really excited to see just my skin just rejuvenate and glow again, especially now that it's spring. I just want my skin to just glow again. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated on the process of it all.
How do you feel? What sensation?
Just a little sensitive, yeah.
If the sensations, from the sensation scale, from 1 to 10, what is the number?
I would say 3.
3. If go to 7, remember that I think more than you. Okay.
It's just standing on 5.
Okay. Maybe you feel nervous.
Yeah.
Because the first time for you to do peeling facial,
Yeah.
you worry about burn the face.
Oh, How long do people usually have it in for?
Normally, after 3 weeks, you can come back to do another peeling facial.
Okay. And do people, on average, do people usually leave it on like this for, is it 5 minutes?
Yeah, but what do you mean?
Like right now, is it usually 5 minutes people have it, the facial one, like the peel?
So now your skin colors people?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah. Normally it's getting peel and facial, the brightening.
Right.
Yeah, that's what it deserves for your skin type.
Yeah.
But for your boyfriend's ones, he do the natural peels, just white pickles and yellow skin people.
Okay.
Nice skin color people can do that one.
So the one that Drew is getting done, I can't do that facial, right?
Yeah, you cannot sun facial, peel and facial, you cannot dance.
Yeah.
But that one is safe one.
This one's it's on 8 now.
8 now? If you can try the zero products. Because the gel is cosmeceutical products. It works in the epidermis to dermis to normalize your skin. Normally, the gel product just sells in the by the surgery doctor because we have met these scars. So we have the wise to sell the antis. Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yes, and the product have retinol. It's going to
so good.
Stimulate your new cell turnover. Yeah.
Wow, no, it sounds really good.
Yeah. But at the beginning for their product, we need to use the baseline product to strengthen the skin. Yeah.
Would you say after this maybe avoid the sun for a couple of days?
Yeah, you need to avoid the sun 1 week. If you can get the gel products, they have one is the dual action scrub. Yeah. Inside also have the AHA and BHA to go ahead to give you the surface cleanse and also deep pore cleansing. That one is really nice, especially times your T-zones is oily.
Oh, wow.
How do you feel?
It's very good.
Thank you.
Now my back feels perfect.
So what kind of job you do?
I work for myself. I own a beauty business.
Oh.
It's an online store going by show you.
Mm-hmm.
Hey guys, so as you can see, I've just finished getting my facial and my skin looks so much better already. Before it looked basically kind of like dull, like it still had like that winter dead skin type look, but now I can see that inner glow coming from within, and I'm really happy with the results, and I actually feel great as well. My skin feels good, it doesn't feel irritated or anything like that. So I'll be back in about maybe a week or two, and then this time I'll do like an extraction and get rid of any like sebum, just to get that controlled. And also definitely happy with this, and I'm gonna go have dinner now. So yeah, thanks for watching.